Hello dear kids, welcome once again to our maths class. Kids, today we will talk about a new concept, that is in and out. In, out. In means क्या होता है? In means जब हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को किसी चीज़ के अंदर रखते हैं, किसी चीज़ में डालते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं in, ओके? और जब उसे बाहर निकालते हैं तो out. जब हम क्लास में आते हैं तो मैम क्या बोलती? कम इन. और जब आप बाहर जाते हैं तो गो आउट. इन मीन्स अंदर, आउट मीन्स बाहर. सो किड्स, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, सो लुक हियर. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज puppy house. Okay, and where is puppy? Puppy is in the house right now. Where is puppy? In the house. Now I'll take out the puppy. Where is puppy? Out of the house. In. अभी कहाँ पर है पपी? घर के अंदर है. और अब कहाँ पे आ गया? बाहर. आउट. इन and out. Okay, so look here. This is a basket. I have some flowers in it. Where? In it. Flowers कहाँ पे रखे मैंने? In the basket. In. And now I am taking out them. अभी मैंने कहाँ कर दिए flowers? Outside. बाहर निकाल दिए. Again in, out. In, out. Okay, and look here, another basket, and here I have fruits and vegetable in this basket. Where are fruits and vegetables right now? In the basket. In the basket means basket में है. Now where is watermelon? Out of the basket. And guava out. Cabbage out. Apple out. Tomato out. Now I will keep them again inside. Okay? In, guava in, cabbage in, tomato in, apple in. Okay? So outside, inside. Out of the basket, in the basket. In, out. In, out. Okay? Let me show you something. This is your school bag. ये आपका बैग है ना. जब आप स्कूल में बैग लेके आते हैं और मैम पढ़ाई शुरू करवाती हैं तो क्या बोलती हैं? टेक आउट योर बुक्स नाउ. यस. एंड जब वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है तब क्या बोलती हैं? Keep them inside your bag. Okay, so I am taking out books. Out. And again in. Out. In. Take out your books. Yes. Now keep in your bag. Take out your books. Keep in your bag. In and out. In, out. Again I am keeping them in the bag. Sorry. Okay. Now look here. This is a crayon color box. I have some crayon in the box. In the box. And now out of the box. Again in and out. I am keeping them in the box. Okay, in and out. Here I have a box. इस बॉक्स में कोई छुपा हुआ है. कौन है? Let me show you. Wow, little teddy bear. Teddy is in the box. Now out of the box. In, out. In, out. Okay. So kids, I hope you understood the concept in and out. Okay. Now it's time to check your knowledge. We will do an exercise on the board. Okay. Let's start. What we have to do? We have to circle the objects that are in. Here I have drawn some pictures. इसमें कुछ pictures मैंने draw किए हैं. Some objects are in something and some are outside. हमको कहाँ पे सर्कल बनाना है? जहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट इन है, इनसाइड है. ओके, सो लुक हियर. आई हैव अ बास्केट and there are some fruits in the basket. Mangoes are in the basket. And what are these? Apples. Apples are out of the basket. Mangoes are in, apples are out. In, out. सर्कल कहाँ पर करना है? जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स इनसाइड हैं. So we will circle the basket that has mango in it. Okay. Now look here. Here are a flower vase. Some flowers are in the vase and some flowers are out of the vase. Okay. We need to circle inside objects. So we will circle the vase that has flower in it. Okay. जिस वास में फ्लावर इनसाइड है उसको हमने सर्कल कर दिया. और ये कहाँ पे है? आउट. इन, आउट. नाउ टेल मी, दिस इज अ नेस्ट. वेयर डू बर्ड्स लिव्स? बर्ड्स कहाँ पर रहती हैं? नेस्ट में रहती हैं. सो हियर आई हैव ड्रॉन 2 baby birds in the nest and a mama bird out of the nest. So where do we circle? हम कहाँ पर सर्कल करेंगे? इनसाइड वाले ऑब्जेक्ट्स में. बर्ड्स, बेबी बर्ड्स आर इन द नेस्ट. बेबी बर्ड्स कहाँ पर हैं? नेस्ट के अंदर हैं. नाउ लुक हियर. दिस इज अ पॉन्ड and some fishes are in the pond. And the frog is out of the pond. In, out. In, out. We will circle the objects that are in. Okay. Fish कहाँ पर है? पॉन्ड के अंदर है. तो हमने इनसाइड वाले ऑब्जेक्ट को सर्कल किया. ओके. So kids, I hope you understood in and out. Okay, so do practice of this concept at your home. We will come back with a new exercise in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.